In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a human psychology slide in PowerPoint. As you can see here, I have inserted this human head silhouette design here and some shadow effect also, and then I have added one spinning wheel, and when I click it starts spinning, you can see here, and when I click it will show you the first option like family, health, kind of relationships and some success. So depending on your requirement, you can increase or decrease these options. And if you have not subscribed to my channel PowerPoint University, please subscribe it now and make sure to enable the bell notification icon. You can join my Telegram group with the help of this link, and if you like to contribute to my channel, you can do it through PayPal or Patreon. The link is provided in the video description section. I have used Office 2019 version to do this. So let's start the tutorial. Add a new slide, go to Insert, Shapes, select the rectangle, draw the rectangle depending on your requirement, and then right mouse click, go to Format Shape. From the pictures or texture fill, I'm going to choose this option and click on Insert and select the online pictures, or if you have the picture from your local PC also you can choose, and then I'm going to type human head silhouette. Alright, and then just select this particular image or any other image of your choice. I'm going to choose that one. Click on Insert. So you can see here this image has been inserted. Shape outline, make it no outline. Then I'm going to convert this into a white image. For that I have to change the background here, so you can just choose any background of your choice of the slide, then select the image, go to the picture options. From the picture correction, from the presets, the sharpness you have to make it to 100% and the brightness make it to 100%, so it becomes white. So now depending on your requirement, you can increase or decrease the option and make sure that this is in the center, or you can make it left or right depending on your requirement. Then go to Insert, Shapes. From the basic shapes, I'm going to choose the partial circle. Draw the partial circle by holding the Shift key. Now what I'm going to do, you can see the two small orange point. I'm just going to make it like this. Alright, you can see here like this, and I'm going to cut that particular part. So for that, again, depending on from which area you need to cut, you need to adjust that one. So you can see here I can make it like this also, and then I can move it, and then I can increase the size. So this much area I would like to, you can see here, I would like to cut. Alright, so now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to select the image first, hold the Shift key, select this partial circle. From the shape format, merge shape, I'm going to make it a subtract, so I end up getting a shape something like this. Alright, now if you want to give some shadow effect, for that also you can select this one, press Ctrl D and change the color to black. You can see here, if I put like this, it will show like this. So you cannot do like that. So again in this case, you have to go back to the options, and the brightness I'm going to make it a full minus 100% here. Alright, and then you can go to the fill effects and increase the transparency here. Alright, and then I'm just going to put it like this and then send this to back. Alright, just send this to back. So this is how we can create the shadow effect also. And then go to a new slide, go to view, enable the guides. Here I'm going to add a spinning wheel kind of thing. So go to Insert, Shapes. From the basic shapes, I'm going to select the oval shape, draw the oval shape by holding the Shift key. Alright, make sure to align center, align middle. Alright, and then shape outline, make it no outline. Go to Insert, Shapes, select the rectangle, draw the rectangle, make it something like this. Shape outline, no outline, you can give shape fill, any fill. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this into 4 or 6 or 8 equal parts depending on your requirement. So make sure that align center, align middle. Then Ctrl D to duplicate, again align center, align middle, then hold the Alt and the right arrow key together. Maybe you can see here like this, press Ctrl D. Alright, so I'm going to make it 6 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to select all these shapes, merge shape, and make it a fragment. All right, so now I can just select 1 2 3 4 5 6, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. All right, and press Ctrl G to group it. All right, so I'm just going to put it here, or you can hold the Ctrl Shift key, you can increase the size also, something like this. Then select each option and give some different color. I'm just going to give this maybe a blue, I'm going to give this kind of a green. Here I can give purple, and I can give maybe orange. All right, so different color combination, whichever you feel comfortable with, you can just choose any color of your choice. And then once this is done, just send this to back. All right, now one more thing which you can do is you can select each of this one and go to insert and select the icons also if you want. For example, let me just move it. I'm going to icons and I'm going to choose 6 different icons. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, some random icon I'm selecting. Click insert. All right, move it here, make the height and width maybe 0.3 only, very small. And color, I'm going to make it white. And then for each option you can just put it like this. This is very small, you can increase the size, it's up to you. You can see here I'm just putting like this one by one. Maybe you need to make it 0.5 so it becomes more big. Now I'm selecting this again, press Ctrl G to group it and send this to back again. All right, now let me just add some animation effect here. So go to the, close this one, format graphic, go to the animations, enable the animation pane, add animation. From the more emphasis effects you can select the spin. You can see it started spinning. Double click this one and timings, make it maybe slow, repeat until end of the slide and click OK. And if I click, you can see here it started spinning, something like this. All right, then you can add some options. Go to insert shapes, select the oval shape, draw the oval shape by holding the shift key. All right, shape outline, make it no outline. Shape fill, you can make it white. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, increase the size by holding the Ctrl Shift key. And shape fill, make it no fill. Shape outline, make it white. And you can increase the weight here and then put it exactly in the center, or select both the shapes, align center, align middle, Ctrl G to group it. So again, if you want to reduce the size, you can reduce it. Press Ctrl D, this is second option, Ctrl D third option, and this is the fourth option. Again, if you want, you can add it to the left also. Then again, you can add some icons here, or you can add the option number 1 2 3 4, and then you can add the text here. I'll just say your title 01, make it bold, white font, increase the size. Press Ctrl D. You can see here I can just add one by one like this. Ctrl D, and here I would like to put the option number A B C D or 1 2 3 4. I'll just make it 1, make it center align, make it bold, increase the size and put it here. All right, press Ctrl D. You can change the colors also to match with these colors. Okay, so you can see here one by one you can just put like this, make this as 4, this is 3, this is 2, and that is 1. So once that is done, group one by one. Press Ctrl G to group it. You can see here, do one by one and group it. All right, so now I'm going to select this option, go to the animations, add animation, more entrance effects, select the basic zoom, click OK, and effect options I'm going to select from the screen center. It comes like this. And for this, add animation, more entrance effects, stretch, click OK and make it from left, and it should happen after previous. So now very easy, I'm going to select the animation painter, click on this, then this animation for the text, again copy, paste it here, and again just do one by one. You can see I'm just selecting this one, animation painter, click on this. All right, and then that's it. So now if I run the slide, once I click, it started rotating. Then the first option comes, second option, third option, and the fourth option. And if you want, you can add more icons here depending on your requirement.